As dawn breaks, painting the sky with strokes of orange and pink, we, the Over the Hill Yackers, invite you to a world where nature's canvas awaits your artistry. Welcome, fellow Yackers, to a journey where the grandeur of nature meets the tip of your brush. We're delving into the enchanting world of plein air painting, a venture that goes beyond mere art. It's a dialogue with the very soul of the outdoors. This is more than painting. It's about creating memories, one brushstroke at a time. For all of us Over the Hill Yackers, plein air painting isn't just a hobby. It's a way to reconnect with nature, to tell our stories through the vivid palette of the world around us. Join us, the adventurous souls of Over the Hill Yackers, as we explore plein air painting. It's not merely about capturing landscapes, but embracing the moment, feeling the breeze, and letting the hues of nature guide our hands. With every stroke, we, the Over the Hill Yackers, weave tales of yore and dreams of tomorrow. Our canvases are more than art. They are windows to our souls, etched with the wisdom of years and the freshness of the outdoors. We pay homage to the greats, Monet, Pissarro, Cassatt, masters who once stood where we stand. Under the open sky, their spirits kin to our own Yacker ethos of exploration and expression. Every Yacker knows that the right spot, the perfect muse, is out there waiting. It might be the tranquil park where childhood memories linger, or the bustling streets that echo the chapters of our lives. The camaraderie is palpable, the sense of adventure, infectious. In our quest for the perfect scene, we Over the Hill Yackers remind each other, our studio is the world, our inspiration, limitless. Every nook and cranny, every leaf and pebble holds a story waiting to be told through our brushes. As Yackers, we know the importance of being prepared. Our toolkit is an extension of our spirit. Easels that have traveled miles, paints that tell of past ventures, and brushes eager for the next stroke. Comfort and ease are our mantras. Lightweight easels for those spontaneous treks, compact paint kits for impromptu inspirations, and brushes that feel like extensions of our own fingers. With our Yacker toolkit by our side, every outdoor setting transforms into a studio. Every vista a potential masterpiece waiting for that first decisive stroke. We, the Over the Hill Yackers, approach our canvas with the wisdom of the years and the enthusiasm of youth. Our painting techniques are as diverse as our stories, each a reflection of a life well lived. From the bold strokes of adventure to the fine lines of quiet contemplation, our art is a mosaic of our experiences. We explore, we experiment, we express. Every canvas a new adventure, every color a memory reborn. We Yackers take pride in our journey from the first uncertain line to the final triumphant brushstroke. Art is a conversation, and every Yacker piece is an invitation to dialogue. Sharing our art is not just about showcasing our work. It's about extending a hand to fellow Yackers and art lovers alike. From the heart of nature to the heart of our community, each shared piece is a thread that binds us, Over the Hill Yackers, in a tapestry rich with tales, triumphs, and togetherness. As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in shades of goodbye, we reflect on what it means to be an Over the Hill Yacker. Plein air painting is more than our pastime. It's a testament to our zest for life, our bond with nature, and our enduring camaraderie. To my fellow Yackers, plein air painting is our gateway to a world where every moment is worth capturing, every scene a story waiting to be told. So let's pick up our brushes, step into the great outdoors, and paint our legacy under the open sky. Thank you, dear Yackers, for being part of this journey. If you've been inspired, subscribe for more tales from Over the Hill Yackers. Share your plein air adventures, your masterpieces, and let's continue this beautiful journey together, one painting at a time. Inspired to pick up a brush and join the adventure? We'd love to see your masterpieces. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more outdoor adventures and creative inspiration. Together, let's fill the world with color, one brush stroke at a time. Thanks for watching, keep painting, sharing, and join us again for more adventures.